हेलो बच्चों, सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, रेड कलर, पिंक कलर। ग्रीन कलर A for aeroplane, A for aeroplane. A, small letter A for ant, A for ant. Pink color B for balloon, B for balloon. B for ball. Green color C for cup, C for car. Red color D for dolphin, D for dog. Yellow color E for elephant, E for elephant. E for eagle, E for eagle. Red color F for fish, F for finger. Blue color G for grapes, G for grapes. G for gun. Orange color H for hand, H for hand. H for hat, H for hat. Blue color I for ice cream, I for ink pot. A B C D E F G H I. Thank you.